Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set alarm in laptop Windows 11. In the search box, enter alarm. Open the clock app. You may need to wait for it to be updated. After that, you are going to go to the section Alarm. Enable the switch to be able to make use of the alarm. Now click on the time to set the exact time of the alarm. You can change the name of the alarm and configure some parameters such as the days on which the alarm will be activated, if it repeats, the tone to use, and how often it will repeat. When you have configured it, click on Save and you will have your alarm ready in Windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.